Okay, welcome back. This time we're going to simplify, instead of the product of two algebraic fractions, it's going to be the quotient of two algebraic fractions, so one fraction divided by another fraction. So this is going to be quite similar to our product example, except one extra step. If we remember from regular fractions, whenever we want to divide by a fraction, we have a method called invert and multiply. So the fraction that we're dividing by, in this case it's this one here, we invert it. In other words, we put the bottom of it on the top and the top on the bottom. We turn it upside down if you like. And then we can change this sign to a multiply, and it amounts to the same thing, or it's equivalent to dividing by this. So the very first thing we're going to do is rewrite all of this: x squared plus 8x plus 15 divided by x squared minus 9, and invert and multiply. So multiply and invert, if you like, means we put the x squared minus 3x on top. You notice it's on the bottom here, now it's on the top, and what's on the top here will go on the bottom. xy plus 5y. Now we're ready to go and do the exact same thing as we did last time. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 different expressions. All of them can be factorized, and that's the first thing we're going to do, is factorize each of them. So rewriting this as the product of two factors, it's going to be x, 15 is 3 5s, so plus 3 plus 5. This is the difference of two squares, except instead of writing this as 9, we could write it as 3 to be squared. So it would be x minus 3 when we factorize it by x plus 3, multiplied by this one, highest common factor, and the common factor they have is x minus 3. And same down here, it's the highest common factor, and what they have in common is the y. So take this y out, plus 5. And then we do the same thing as we did above. We just divide above and below by the same thing. So x plus 5 into this goes once, x plus 5 into this goes once, x plus 3 into this goes once, x plus 3 into this goes once, x minus 3 into this goes once, x minus 3 into this goes once. And what we're left with, two things that we can't, I suppose, don't have anything in common, that we can't divide above and below by the same thing, is our x and our y. So if we multiply out the top, then 1 by 1 by 1 is 1, by x is x. And on the bottom, 1 by 1 by y by 1 again is just y. And our answer is simplified x over y.